These are made by Cherry Valley Hobbies, Slot Car Central, and these are basically redos. They're not redos of original cars because AFX did not have this car in its lineup, and so but they wanted to do AFX. I don't know why. I mean, these are nice cars, but the Mustang is much too large than what it should be based on the size of a car compared to, I mean, I had a 1965 Mustang. I had one in high school, okay? And that thing was a small car, all right? Almost the size of my VW Beetle. But they've got this thing here the size of a Chevelle. Now, I'm not knocking it. I'm just saying that if you're going for realism, okay, and they've got this on a long chassis. This should have been on a short chassis, or maybe this is a short chassis. But what they want to try to do is get actual size and they wanted to make it as realistic as they can for 1/32, okay, 1/64 or 1/64. I'm just not. I mean, I like this car. I mean, it's a beautiful looking car. And it runs nice. I just think it's too big for the track. This thing should be twice the size of this. Now, is this pretty? Is this blue pretty? Yes. And they did a great job with the gold, yeah, well, with the trim around the car. The front end, beautiful. I mean, the back end, AFX, metallic blue is beautiful. Well done there. And then they have the inside insert. So this gives you the interior of a car, which I think they should provide this for all cars, that you can stick that in your car. They should provide these in a sheet. Because that's what it is. You know, you could literally put it on in any car if you wanted to. You could put it in here, exactly. What word is that? Anyway, so you... And this is a limited edition. They only made, I think it's a 2000, okay? And it's item number 22086. And these are available at ProTinkerToys.com. That's ProTinkerToys.com. Pretty sweet, isn't it?